Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use PayPal with Citi Custom Cash Card, fast setup step by step clearly. To begin using PayPal with your Citi Custom Cash Card, start by opening the PayPal app on your device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, launch it and log in to your existing PayPal account. If you're new to PayPal, select Sign Up to create an account. After logging in, go to the Wallet section located at the bottom of the screen. In the Wallet section, look for the option to link a bank or card. Select Link a Card to add your Citi Custom Cash Card. Enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter your billing address associated with the card. Once all information is filled out, tap Link Card to save your changes. You may need to verify your card through a small temporary charge that PayPal will place. Check your bank statement or PayPal app for that charge. Once you see it, return to the PayPal app and enter the code provided in that charge to complete the verification process. After verification, your Citi Custom Cash Card will be successfully linked to your PayPal account. You can now use your card for transactions, benefiting from any cashback offers associated with your Citi Custom Cash Card. To set your Citi Custom Cash Card as the preferred payment method, go back to the Wallet section. Select your card and mark it as your default payment option to make future transactions easier. Enjoy the convenience of using your Citi Custom Cash Card with PayPal for quick and secure payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.